Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a comparison between the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette versus the Coach Nolita 15 pouch. These are very similar in size, construction, and design. They're very different, however, in price, and we'll talk about that. I know that lately I've been doing a lot of videos on Louis Vuitton with their price increases, and then all of a sudden so many of their popular canvas items being available online, and then the introduction of the new toiletry pouch 26. So lots of Louis Vuitton videos back to back. If you missed them, go ahead and double back and check those out. But I know that many of you have also been looking for better alternatives, more affordable alternatives to popular items such as this Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. And as far as I could tell, this Coach Nolita 15 is probably the closest, best alternative that I can find, and it is much more affordable. So this one here now retails for a whopping $745. That's US retail plus add sales tax to it, and you're talking over $800 for this little pouch. And mine happens to be packed with some stuff at the moment, and I'll show you what's inside. I'm actually going to transfer my belongings from here into the Coach Nolita 15 so we can see how it looks. I've never tried that before. This one here, however, retails for $158, but I did mention a couple weeks ago on my YouTube community pages that this was on sale, a big sale, 60% off. So currently they're still on sale on the Coach Outlet website. I will actually link it down below in my description box so you don't have to go searching for it. But it looks like this beautiful red color is still available, and also the classic black is available as well. So with 60% off, we're talking about $63 for this all-leather version versus $745 for this canvas version. Of course, they're totally different brands, different looks, different materials, but essentially they're both pouches, and they both, they serve almost the same function, right? Or exactly the same function. So let's take a look at this one here. You see that it has the Coach hardware on the front, and it says Coach New York, and it has that horse and carriage, which is the iconic Coach logo. Shiny gold hardware, zipper as well, all shiny gold, and this portion here as well. Now this comes with the leather strap, which is different from the Mini Pochette, which we'll take a look at in a minute. And this is connected on one side, so it's not removable. And then this side here has a lobster clasp, so it is removable. So you could essentially take this off and put it all on one side if you wanted to use it as a wristlet, or just have it out of the way. Now this one I purchased for my daughter, so she's about 11 years old now, and she's been using this as a little purse, and she just wants to be like a mini me, right? If your mom is into handbags and these kinds of SLGs, then oftentimes your daughter's going to want to be interested in those things too. So I just got this for her for fun. But if this were mine, I would probably remove this portion here. You just have to take the threading off. I'd probably remove this entirely, and I would probably add a little dainty gold chain similar to this one here. So this one I have, and I'll link this one down below in my description box too if you're interested. This one I love. It's the oval chain that I've been using a lot with my Pochette Accessoires, and you can see here, I'll take it off. I just love versatility, and you guys know I've been talking about how I think this particular piece is one of my most versatile, but since we're not talking about that one in this video, I'll move it to the side. But just as an example, if you were to remove the leather, you could add something like this, and you can get a really short one so it's similar and it mirrors the Mini Pochette length, or you can use a longer one like this if you wanted to use it as a cute little crossbody, or gift it to your daughter or your niece or someone who would appreciate something cute like this. So imagine if this piece has been taken off, the leather, and it just looks like this. It's really cute. Oops. Really cute. So that's how you can make it a bit more versatile if you wanted to. That's probably what I would do. I do have a surprise towards the end of this video if you want to stick around, and it is related to the Coach Nolita 15, so try to stick around to the end of the video, okay? So here I'm going to put this back, and I just want to give you a quick side-by-side. So just from the front, you can see here dimensions are nearly identical: height, width, depth. The depth on the Coach Nolita probably just looks a little bit thicker just because the leather is going to be thicker than the canvas. I'm also going to weigh both of these so you can get a sense of the difference between the canvas and the leather weight. They're both super light because they're so small, but in case you wanted to know the difference. And this is the back. like this. Do you guys remember a while back I purchased this one in the monogram version for my daughter just to save for her? I had mentioned that I had a feeling the mini pochette would reach over $1,000 by the time she turns 16 or at least 18. Well, remember I said she's not even 12 yet? This is now $745 retail, right? So yeah, by the time she's 16, it's definitely going to be over $1,000 at this rate. The price increases have been insane. So let me just dump out what's in here. Nothing fancy, just a few of my knickknacks that I carry with me. Anything interesting I'll link down below in my description box. This Dami Ibn version comes with that pop of red textile lining, which I think is super fun. I really like this version. The monogram version, as we all know, comes with the brown. It's kind of like a chestnut brown lining. And then you also have the Demi Azur version, which is really nice. It's like that creamy ivory with the light blue, and the inside comes with the pale pink lining. So just those three versions, all a little bit different. So I just have this humongous band-aid. As a mom of two, you never know who is going to fall and get a boo-boo. And then I've got some Benadryl tabs because my son has allergies. And then this one is one of my favorite Givenchy lips. It's like a lip balm and lipstick all in one. Very subtle, but very moisturizing. I like this because it is all leather, the case, and I think it's really pretty. And then this one, of course, you guys know if you watch my other videos, it's a fave. I'm running low on this version, but I purchased a new one in the Sephora sale recently. I shared all of my beauty favorites in that video. So these two right here, this one is my all-time favorite hand sanitizer. It has all natural ingredients and it smells really nice, especially this eucalyptus version. And I love it because it's so slim and it just fits into any pouch, any little mini bag. I love this. And then I have these two random hand wipes, sanitizing wipes with my kids because if they're about to eat snack or something. Here's a little hair tie. And then my favorite, you're probably sick of hearing about, the L'Occitane hand cream, Honey Harvest. It's my favorite scent. A lot of times they say they're discontinuing it, but then it pops back up, so I don't know. So that was what was inside my mini pochette. Excuse my voice here, guys. I still am suffering from allergies. I never really had seasonal allergies until a couple years ago, and it's just bad this season. So this is what this version looks like in the Coach Nolita 15. This one has the dark, kind of like a wine burgundy color. It's really pretty. And oh, this one has two card slots. Forgot about that. So a little bit more design on the inside of this one compared to the mini pochette if you wanted to use this as a little purse and put your cards in here. But let's just see if I were to put my belongings, all the things that I had in my mini pochette up until now, if I were to just plop them in. I just want to make sure we're comparing apples to apples in terms of internal capacity. Certainly don't want one to be significantly smaller than the other. So I literally just threw it all in, and for sure everything fits. As you can see, it's not too tight, zips up very easily, and there was a little bit of space in here before, and there's also a little bit of space in this one. So I would say internal capacity is pretty much the same. I could stuff it more if I wanted to. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me show you. I said I had something. I have this brand new one. It's in the strawberry haze color. When they were having the sale, I thought of you guys as well. I got one for my daughter, and then I went back and I got another one because I wanted to share with you guys. So this is just like a mini giveaway. This one here, as you can see, it's really pretty, brand new. It has all the original styrofoam and tissue paper and packaging. I won't undo it because I want it to be perfectly new and clean. This is the tag it comes with. Let's open it up. Oh, there's tissue paper in there. Oh, it's stuck on the tissue paper. Let me just pull it down so it doesn't get stuck. Okay, good. That's all that. So let's just take this out. So this is going to be for one of you. Just comment in the comment section below if you're interested. And I'm not going to make this complicated. If you comment, then I'm just going to randomly choose one of you, and I will pin your comment and also reply and let you know that you are the winner and ship this out within a few days. So let's just take this all out. It comes with the paperwork. So here is the original price, $158. And it was 60% off. So what is that, about $63 or so plus tax? So yeah, for those of you who missed out, go check out my links below and you can purchase the black one or the red one because they have those available still. It feels really nice. It's like this grained leather. It feels nice to the touch. Feels very just high quality, and as you can see, it's all constructed nicely. So yeah, let me put this all back in nicely. I just wanted to do something, you know, small but nice for you guys. I also reached 25,000 subscribers recently, and I just thought it would be nice timing. I have another giveaway coming soon. I'm actually debating on what to purchase. Might get something from Louis Vuitton, maybe for a bigger subscriber milestone. Always fun for me to keep an eye out for giveaway goodies. It's just really, I don't know, I enjoy giving back to you guys because I'm so thankful for this channel and for all of you who support me. So here it is. I'll just leave it just like this. So again, comment down below if you're interested in in winning this, and I will just randomly choose, my kids will probably randomly choose your comment, and then I'll get your information and ship it out to you. Please be aware of scammers. I never ask for any financial information or private information. I just need your name and shipping address, and if I don't pin your comment down below, that means it's not me that's reaching out to you. The winner will be pinned with that little thumbnail pin, thumb cushion, push pin cushion, whatever it's called. It'll be at the top of all the comments if you are the winner. So let's see. I will announce it this Saturday, whatever that date is, this coming Saturday. The Saturday after Easter. I don't have a calendar in front of me, but that's when I will announce the winner, and I'll send it out to you guys next week. Okay, so let's put this brand new one off to the side, and then let's just do a quick weighing, and I'm gonna do it in grams because this is gonna be super light. Let me pull out everything, dump everything out again. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's weigh the Coach all leather version, and that's coming in at 3 grams. I told you it's really light. Let me try one more time because the scale is very sensitive. Turn it around. Yep, 3 grams for this one. And then the mini pochette, completely empty, and let's, okay, that's not even picking up as anything. Is this like just weightless? Is it feather weight? Let me try one more time. That's so funny. The mini pochette weighs nothing, not even 1 gram. That doesn't make sense. Okay, according to this scale, the mini pochette weighs nothing. Huh. And the Coach Nolita 15 weighs 3 grams. So I guess it's about 3 grams apart. It's nothing. They're both really light. 3 grams for this all leather version is super light. And you still have this strap on it too. So if you were to take it off, it'd be even lighter. So that's the comparison. I think we covered everything in terms of dimensions, internal capacity, construction, the look and design of it, prices, and the weight. So let me know if you have any additional questions down below in my comment section. Check out my description box for any relevant links if you are looking to purchase anything that was featured here. And do let me know if you'd like to win this strawberry colored Coach Nolita 15, brand new, as a gesture of my gratitude just for supporting my channel and watching my videos. And one lucky winner will be sent this next week. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.